If you want to move into a gated golf course community and want to be in one of the best one in the area, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Mike Lavoie. Welcome to our favorite YouTube channel where we talk about nothing but the Tampa Bay lifestyle. My wife Paula and I have lived in the Tampa Bay area for 30 some years. We've raised 6 kids here and we love living in the Tampa Bay area. We are constantly adding homes to our list of homes to sell in the Tampa Bay area, and the latest one is right here in Cheval. Let's go take a look around. This home was built in 2004 by a custom home builder, Hannah-Bartoletta, and is in the Bordeaux section of Cheval. At just over 3,500 square feet, this home has 6 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, a separate living room with a gas-burning fireplace, a huge gourmet kitchen overlooking the family room, a huge master suite with access to the pool, the travertine covered deck features an outdoor kitchen, a saltwater heated pool, and overlooks a beautiful little lake. If you're not familiar with Cheval, it is located in North Hillsborough County, has very easy access to the Veterans Toll Road, which will get you downtown to the Westshore area, the airport, and to some of the best beaches in the country pretty darn quick. Cheval contains about 1,500 families. The schools that are assigned to Cheval are probably some of the best in the country. You have Steinbrenner High School, Martinez, and McKittrick. They are all located right outside the gate of the subdivision. All of the streets in Cheval are privately owned, which provides limited access to the neighborhood. There are 3 gates which are manned 24/7. There's also 2 rovers that run around the streets for added security. has 2 championship golf courses, Cheval also features an athletic club, an aquatics club, a community pool. There are 9 TrueHar coated tennis courts. If you're an equestrian person, there is a brand new multi-million-dollar equestrian center just outside the gates of Cheval. All this makes Cheval one of the more popular places to live in North Hillsborough County. If you're interested in looking at this home, give us a call, 813-864-6370, or you can get more information at our website, rltr.co/4616 Ave Longchamps. Thanks for watching the video.